Governor of Aceh Nova Iriansyah expressed his appreciation to Agam Inong Aceh, Muhammad Akkral and Salwa Nisrina, who won first place in the 2021 Indonesian Tourism Ambassador elections. As a form of appreciation, the governor will provide educational scholarship to both through the Human Resources Development Agency or BPSDM Aceh. This was conveyed directly by the Governor of Aceh when receiving the visit of Muhammad Akkral and Salwa Nisrina at the Governor Halls, Wednesday, 10th November 2021. Appreciation to Akkral and Salwa was also conveyed by the Chairperson of the Aceh Dekranasda, Dyah Erti Idawati, and she hopes that both of them, who were successfully elected as Indonesia Tourism Ambassador, could contribute to the community and Aceh tourism development. Dyah also conveyed that both of them could convey a positive framing and image related to Aceh to the outside community.